What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today is the week 2 video of the $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood app. And today I'm gonna do something that I've never done before in trading. I'm gonna invest in cryptocurrencies. So without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, before we get in the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up for Robinhood, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance to get a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, Energy Transfer. All the odds are on the screen right now. Check it out and use that link to sign up. All right, here we are on the home screen of the Robinhood web platform. As you can see, my account says $230.52. I just transferred the $100 for this week number 2 of the $100 a week Robinhood investing challenge. This is week 2. Here's the $100. And if you listen to the intro video, you know this is a cryptocurrency week. I haven't really delved into crypto until this past few days, but I'm thinking it's starting to make a move. So I'm gonna make a move. First one we're looking at is Ethereum Classic. Right now it's sitting at 822. And the way you do this is a little different. It's not like buy shares because it's a currency. So we're gonna invest about $40 of the 100 into Ethereum Classic. Whatever can get me 5 shares or 5 Ethereum coins. So I'm thinking it's about 42. Yep. So you put in the amount in US dollars, estimated price 823. We can do a limit order, but I'm not going to for this just because I'm putting $42. It's gonna give me what it's gonna give me. Review order, submit buy. And there we go. We purchased 5 Ethereum Classic cryptocurrencies. First time ever doing this. It's the first time. Never messed with cryptocurrencies until today. And y'all saw it. Okay, and our next cryptocurrency we're gonna invest in is Dogecoin. I think we're just gonna do $10. Let's plug it in. $10 Dogecoin gets us 3,288 Dogecoins. This is kind of more like a spec crypto, I guess. I mean, it's so cheap. You're looking at 0.003. So, and you see $10 gets almost 3,300. So it's one of those that you just put a little money in here or there. You know what I'm saying? It's a spec. It should not be a huge holding in your portfolio. So we're gonna go ahead and review the order. Submit buy. And there we go. Dogecoin purchase. Done. So, like I said before, y'all just got to see me purchase my first crypto. Now, this other $50 that's left, I think we're gonna go and do TVIX. And then we'll have a little bit left and we'll see if we even buy anything after that. Just let it sit there. All right, here we are on TVIX. And if you don't know anything about TVIX, TVIX is a volatility product. Basically, when the market goes up, this goes down. When the market goes down, this goes up. And the reason I'm buying this is because of the volatility in the market right now with the trade war with China and tariffs on Mexico, even though they supposedly, we got to deal with Mexico, supposedly. It's just craziness, and I know this isn't over yet. So I'm gonna jump in this, play it. It's down. It's like 21.53 right now. I'm gonna jump in and play it. It's not something that you typically hold for a long term. But I mean, I guess you could if you want to average down every time it goes down. Like, so it's on you how you want to play it. Typically it's short term, but I'm using it as a little insurance. So we're gonna go buy 2 shares, review order, submit buy, and it's spinning and spinning. What's it doing? Boom, there we go. 2 shares, it's placed. Okay, we had a little issue there with TVIX when we purchased it. It did go through. I don't know, it just hung up the computer a little bit. I don't know, maybe a little hiccup. But we have the 2 shares TVIX today. We bought the $42 in Ethereum Classic, the $10 in Dogecoin, and we have $7.88 left over. I think we're just gonna throw that in Neo. So let's go to Neo. Let's type in 2. Yeah, we can get 2 more shares on Neo. It's dropped since we last got. I think we got in at like $3 and something, $3.04. So it's went back down. This is like a spec play. This is another stock that you shouldn't have a lot of your portfolio in. This is pure speculation, but I did check out Neo's website, and those vehicles are nice, to say the least. To say the least, they're nice. So we're gonna review this order, submit buy, and there we go. Okay, we're back on the home screen. As you can see, $230, 73 cents, 75 now. But yeah, this is gonna conclude this video. This is week 2, $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood platform. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.